If you're one of those who wants to get rid of any kind of fear, this video is for you. Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha Bhatia, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would shamelessly request you and ask you to please subscribe to it so that we are regularly connected. And if you like this video, please do like this video and share it with other people as well. Let's get started here. So fear is one of the biggest emotion, one of the most horrifying emotion, and one of the most powerful emotion of a human being. And if used it correctly, then it can give you amazing results and amazing life. But today I'm going to tell you as to how you can use your fear in the right way and how you can remove that fearful feeling. Now, some people have fear of public speaking, some people have fear of camera, some people have fear of dealing with a certain person, situation, right? And these days a lot of people have a fear of losing their job, or if they've lost their job already during the lockdown, now they have a fear if they will get a new job according to the profile that they want to have. So all these fears come, and you only have to shift something in your mind, and all of a sudden you will start to see that the fear is just leaving you. It doesn't belong to you. So please hear me out. Please understand very carefully how you would do it. First of all, please understand that fear comes. Whenever it comes, what happens in the mind is, what if I go on the stage and they don't like my performance? What if they laugh on me? What if I am not able to convince or influence my audience? Okay, this is, let's say, of public speaking. Let's say you have a fear of losing someone in your life, right? Let's say a partner. Usually a lot of people have a fear that their boyfriend or their girlfriend or their partner will leave them. So what would you usually say in your mind? What is the statement that runs? What if he leaves me? What will happen after that? Will I not be good enough to be in another relationship? Is this relationship not good enough? Whatever. What if? These are the two words that we usually use. It's not even if, it's what if, okay? Another example I'll give you. If somebody has, let's say, a fear of not getting a job, especially in this time, okay? So I'd like to help you with that. So what if I don't get a job? What if I don't get the job of my choice? What if I don't get the salary that I was earning before? This what happens. This is something just builds in us. So how to change it? It's very simple. You have to do it only 3 minutes every day. Even if you just do it once, you will see a massive shift. What you have to do is you have to just change your statement, change your internal communication. The moment you change the internal communication, your action outside will start to change. What if I go on the stage and people give me a huge round of applause? What if that I crack a joke and they laugh on it? What if I go on the stage and I am performing at my best? Right? Can you see that smile? It's just coming naturally because I'm feeling it. Second example, let's take it here. What if me and my partner grow together in this relationship? What if we understand each other better? What if our communication starts to become better? What if we start to share more love and bond with each other? Isn't it amazing? Third, what if I get the best job that I really, really want in my life? What if I get a really good salary that I've been wanting? What if I get a lot of recognition and I get a lot of respect in my new job? It will shift, but you don't have to just have one statement. You have to have many statements, and you have to have many frames in your mind, many scenes in your mind while you're doing it. I'm just going to make you do it as well with me for 1 minute, okay? So please understand what happens. When you speak such language to yourself, initially your mind will not believe it. It's very natural. It will not believe it because it is not true. But the more and more you say it, it will start to happen, right? Similarly, there are things when we start to say to ourselves again and again, which is actually not right, it's negative, and it starts to happen for us. And then we say to ourselves, oh, I knew it, I knew this would happen. No, you knew it at the very first place, but you did not change it, you did not shift it, you did not switch it. right? So what you're going to do here is, please understand, when you just change the internal communication, your state of mind will change, your energy will change, your vibration will change, and automatically, if you're feeling absolutely resourceless, you will start to feel resourceful, and automatically you will be attracted to those people who helps you reach there. Either it's public speaking, camera, fear of person, fear of dealing with a particular client, getting a job. But you have to do it at least I would say for 7 days. Try just for 1 day and for only 3 minutes. If you want, you can write down the statements as well. I only gave 4 to 5 statements in every situation. You can have many statements, right? So let's suppose, let's take up a quick understanding here by doing it, okay? Let's understand by doing it. Now, I have been a stage host for almost 10 years, so I totally get it when you have to be in front of the camera or in front of the audience, how it feels. There is this shivering, there is this feeling in the chest, in the stomach, tingling, sensation. I totally get all of that. But you can remove it just by changing your internal communication. And what if doesn't happen? What if it happens? What if people like you, people love you, people appreciate you, right? So let's do it here just for 1 minute, and let's take, especially because these days, people are having this challenge of getting a new job. So let's just feel it that we are about to get a new job. So 1 minute, let's do it together. Take a moment with yourself. Keeping a gentle smile on your face, take a deep breath in. And breathe out, roll your shoulders back, keeping your body absolutely relaxed. If you're looking for a good job, what if I get the job that I've been dreaming of? What if I get the salary that I deserve and that I want, the package that I want? What if I get a very good healthy environment to work in? What if I'm rewarded and appreciated for all these small little actions that I'm taking, all these small little achievements that I'm experiencing? So amazing, isn't it? What if? Think about it. What if? What else? What else you want to do when you're there? Take a moment with yourself and breathe out. Open your eyes. How is it? I started to see myself in a better position wherever I am today. And I feel so nice about it. I feel so fresh, so energetic. That's what exactly is going to happen. So are you ready to take up a 7-day challenge with yourself? Every day in the morning, just sit for 3 minutes and just see what if this happens, okay? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, it may not change. But in 7 days, you will see a massive change. Usually this is so powerful, this technique is so powerful. If you just do it for 3 minutes, you will start to see a massive jump in your energy and your confidence. But do it for 7 days, and if you're ready for the challenge, please do write it in the comment box as well, that you're ready for this challenge to beat the fear instead of fear beating you every time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go to nlpwithneha.com. Look out for our courses. We have 6 courses going on right now, and I'm sure you would be interested in one of them, and we would love to have you on this journey with us. Bye.